how you could achieve this 325 marks?
Yes.
It is very big secret.
Sir, yes, last time my score was extremely less, 96 in paper 1 and 125 in paper 2. So, yes, it was very less. I did a lot of mistakes as well. But when I wrote the exam this time, sir, I thought I'd score around 270, 280. I didn't expect in my wildest of dreams that I crossed 300, so it came as a shock to me. So I would say, sir, yes, I have worked on the optional a lot this time, but somewhere I've been lucky also, sir, with this optional. I did make a lot of changes, sir. For example, last year my reading was very limited in anthropology. My materials I had not read, so I added a few other sources like the Khaka Committee report, PNAT for physical anthropology, your two books for a few areas, not everything. And also, sir, I joined the test series with you. So every test we would have a detailed material for each test, and I would pick up the important points, some case studies from there. I picked up points from there. I picked up points from your case studies materials, which you have given 500 case studies. I picked up some case studies from there as well. That is one change, sir. Second, I didn't write test series last year, sir. I was scared of writing answers for anthropology. I didn't join a test series, very big mistake. So I joined it this time. So somewhere that has also improved. Third, sir, my way of reading anthropology was wrong because
Very good. The way of reading anthropology is one big thing which you have to understand. Yes, please.
First, last year I read the entire syllabus and I read anthropological theories in the last. And that also I was not perfect because I was scared of that part of anthropological theories in paper 1. So I kind of ignored that topic itself, anthropological theories. But this time what I did was I read anthropological theories first in great detail. I have given about 2 weeks for only anthropological theories. Additional sources I've added to have like a proper clarity of what they are trying to say. And I tried to look at the entire syllabus of both the paper through the lens of these 10 schools of anthropological thought. So somewhere when I used these lens of anthropological theories to look at the whole syllabus, for every answer I could give the names of anthropologists. For example, so this names, there was a question of coloring through various interpretations of anthropological thoughts. So in that I used all the 10 schools of thought to say, even though I had never read what they actually mean for coloring, but that was kind of a guess, not guesser, but once you understand what the schools actually try to say, then you can interpret things, various things from that lens as well. So that is one major change I did for anthropology. Second, sir, my choice of questions in the actual exam. Choosing the questions. Last year, even now, sir, my preparation on prehistoric cultures is very weak.
It's archaeology.
Archaeology, the Paleolithic, Neolithic, especially European prehistoric cultures. I'm absolutely very weak. I have no material on that. Even now, I don't have any idea about that. Last year, there were 3 questions on European cultures, sir. I don't know why I selected them. I could have selected other questions. I don't know why I selected them. And I was in a rush to start the paper because there is always a pressure of completing the paper in 3 hours. Every paper in GS is lengthy, every optional paper is lengthy. So there's a rush that you have to start writing immediately when you pick the paper. So in that rush, I picked the wrong questions. And that was a blunder I did in last year's paper 1. So that was another thing. Third, sir, I've added anthropologist's name in every answer. Every answer of mine will have 1 or 2 anthropologist name for sure. That is one change I've done. And I have interlinked the concepts of every paper, of all the topics. I've interlinked the concepts. I somehow understood that the division of syllabus is for our understanding. But there is no division of the anthropology subject as such. So nobody has divided the subject. It is all one, paper 1, 2. The division in syllabus is for our comfort, for us to understand. So I removed that barrier of that division and I read it as an entire one whole subject without creating that boxes or reading them in silos.
Integrated.
Yes, sir, integrated. The entire paper 1 and paper 2. I have used paper 2 examples in paper 1, paper 1 examples in paper 2. I have never kept that as a barrier. Paper 1 anthropologists and paper 2. So wherever possible, I have like linked entire both the papers, all the subtopics in that. So that is one another change I did in these 2 items, and of course the test series.
So 3 points very important. Nidhi told proper clarity on what they say. Means anthropological thinkers. In anthropology, we have various thinkers like E.B. Taylor, James Fraser, etc., Mallowisky. So we need to have the clarity, first clarity of thought. What this person want to tell to us, what this person want to inform us. On that particular thought, we should have clarity. That is one sentence, one thing which you have to, it's a takeaway. Number two, choosing of the questions. That you have to practice from the beginning stage itself. Which question I have to choose. Third, a way of reading. Very proper term that is. Way of reading. So everyone will start randomly. It's not randomly. Anthropological thought is the heart and soul of anthropology subject. So in anthropological thinkers, who are the thinkers, what they told, and we have to integrate with each and every topic of the anthropology. These are the three things. Please, everyone, please, these are the three things. If you want, you can note it down.